Hi, and welcome to my channel Arabic Lingo, where we learn Egyptian Arabic today. Egyptian Arabic is the most common type of Arabic that is spoken. Today, we are going to talk about Al-Salamu Alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is a greeting in Arabic that means peace be upon you. The salam is a religious salutation among Muslims when greeting, though it is also used by Arabic speakers of other religions, such as Arab Christians, as well as by Muslims generally. So, how to pronounce Assalamu alaikum as Egyptian Arabic? Al-Salamu alaikum. Al-Salamu alaikum. Al-Salamu alaikum. I hope this video teach you something for how to pronounce Egyptian Arabic. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.